Get in, loser, we're going scrolling! This is Algorithm Date about brain rot. This is an artwork I made in which the car's having a great time, but the passenger, not so much. And that is the spectacle. It is passive watching dressed up as participation. Guy Debord, the writer of the Society of the Spectacle, warned about this.
I told you no!
Life turning into images and images turning into life. But don't go. I'll explain it with a small poem. Not a poem again, you asshole.
First, there was nothing, and then there was computer code. Things on coffee tables became curated into online modes. There was community, civilization, civil disobedience, connection, collaboration, and creation. And cats, oh, so many cats. And everything was convenient. Until, as always, corporations, consumerism, and capitalism turned the needle further. Instant messaging turned into never-ending communication. Conversations became things with no closure. Clocks disappeared. Criticism and cancellation took their place. Creation became content. Currency got caged in a carousel, and everyone is on a call. Everything is capsule-sized. Long format is gone and died. This complicated, complex web is a clickbait continuum. Confidence nosedives, nothing is confidential.
I, like you, grew up online. The internet constantly turned trash into treasure. There was the dancing baby gif, the people I love the most, it's where I found music that I love. There's the stupidest subreddits. And there was that entire period of time when cats wanted to eat cheeseburgers. But we also watched civilization crumble in real time. We're all in our own rooms, right? But we're everywhere else all at once. We're in Palestine, we're in Ayodhya, we're in the great Kali's gym, we're in some of the most polluted cities in the world while also standing on a cliff in Iceland throwing puffins into the air for their first flight. It feels ungovernable, but yet overgoverned. You know what I mean? That's where brain rot comes in. We find crap, we laugh ourselves sick. It feels really, really, really good because brain rot is the way that we say, hey, I survived today. Here's a meme about it. So at this point, we are no longer seeking knowledge, we're just encountering data, like head first. So, brain rot, it's not the problem. It's that we're fucking sleepwalking through it. We therapy speak all the time about boundaries and healthy relationships. So, where is that energy with the algorithm, dude? So, what I'm trying to say is, we should all get in the driver's seat, seek out something better, find other platforms, and let the brain rot be like a little part of our day. Enjoy it, laugh at it, scroll away, but the ride should be in your hands. Otherwise, the car's the one saying,